What's up, YouTube? This Herb with EDG. So we got a cool special video for y'all today. We actually introducing our EDG hanging brackets. So in the video I do a little challenge. How many panels can I hang up in less than an hour? And it actually took around 45 minutes for me to hang up about 8 panels. And the way we did that is with our EDG hanging brackets. So these comes with 5. It's the brackets. It comes with the instruction manual, and then also when you open the panel or when you open the bag, it comes with 10 wood screws, and then it comes with a level. So it comes with a nice level, and then it comes with wood screws, 10 of them, and then 10 drywall screws. And then it comes with 5 sets of hanging brackets. So you have the bracket on here. This one says wall, so you can see where each bracket goes, and this one has the hole in it so you can fit the level. The level fits easily in there. You place it against the wall, so all the words are gonna fit face you. So you place this on the wall, you put the level in there, and then you put 2 screws in there, 2 drywall screws, and most of the time that's all that it needs is 2, but there's extra holes in there if you want to add some more. And then this one right here says panel. So this one says panel, and like I said, all of them face you and they're the right orientation of the words, so it's super easy. Forgot to mention this, it comes with our instruction manual, so it comes with everything that comes in there. It says it on the front, it has our logo, instruction manual, and then it shows you how to do it. It's a little outdated. We have the hole in the bracket now, but it's basically the same thing. So 2 on each panel, or 2 on each bracket, 2 screws. I mean, yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. I hope y'all enjoy the video. It's a real cool one. It shows you how to do everything.
Got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, and you're not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, and you're not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all.
Keep it going.
Alright, YouTube, so look, we got the clouds up. So on the clouds, we got the bass traps up. So right now what we're doing is I prepared all the panels. I just got one more. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to hang up these panels. So what I'm gonna do is, once I get everything prepared, I got 1 hour to hang up all the clouds on the wall. There's 2 over there, 3 right here, another one. You know what I'm saying? I got 1 hour to hang up all of these. Show you how easy it is. I'm gonna just do this last bracket. Once this last bracket is on, I'm gonna start the timer. Let me show you how easy it is to put this on. So basically, you just measure the center of the panel. These are the EDG brackets right here. You measure the center of the panel, make sure it's level. As soon as it's level, put that right into the back of the panel. It's like hanging up a picture frame. Then you get another screw for these. Alright. So it's level already. We got 2 of them in. We just drilled this last one in there. That's how easy it is. So it's 12:51 right now. We got all the brackets done. We got them on the back of the panels. We go around and hit it all. Try to do it in under an hour. Let's do it. It's 124. You can see it. 124. I mean, as you can see, all the panels is up on the wall. It's looking good, man. I mean, I think that you see that the EDG, the hanging brackets is worth it. I think you can see all the EDG hanging brackets. EDG Acoustic hanging brackets, super lightweight. I mean, you see it's super easy install. You can do it at home. It's definitely worth it. So if you got some panels, you order some from us, we shipping it to you. Make sure you get some of these too, man. Yeah, the cloud's looking great. I think the customer very happy with it, man.